Japan once had a very strong computer and semiconductor industry in 1980s. At that time, the government played a very important role to invest in the industry. But I think now the rules or market situation of ICT industry has totally changed. We are now more focusing on services and software. For that part, the human capital is the most important asset. So we need to invest more in the human capital part. For that part, I don't think Japanese government has introduced very effective policy and initiatives to increase market competitiveness in the world. So for that part, I'm very interested in Dr. Choi's presentation, how Korea recovered and how Vietnamese companies, including FPT, grow in the past 10 years.
Thank you. Thank you for your insights. Extremely well thought through. Now I'm going to ask our panelists from Nepal, getting your views and coming back to you on your thoughts, specifically about, how are we going to position Nepal as a global IT tech hub. Now, we are living in a very difficult times. Both Nepal as a country and Nepal's IT industry as well. So how can Nepal as a country as well as Nepalese IT firm be seen and heard in an extremely crowded IT marketplace, targeting high-value markets? From your firm as well as from the industry perspective, Mr. Quera.
Thank you, Vivek, sir. So, we have a prospect, and we are seeing this, within our past couple of months, we are organizing this level of international conferences, discussion, every government side, every organization, every association showing interest on this, and government is continuously giving the slogan about the IT that already shows that there is a market and there is a possibility. That's the reason everyone in the same row to discussing about that. But yeah, definitely it's not easy. Where we are today is